From the streets of Philadelphia to the open road, there's one thing I've learned that keeps me fighting and it'll keep you rolling. And that's to stay hydrated. It's not just about the punches or the footwork that'll keep you going. It's about the H2O that'll keep you ready for the ring and on the road. If you drink enough H2O, you'll be ready for the show. You know, your body's like a fine-oiled machine, kind of like those big rigs out there. About 60% of your body is made of water. You know, and water is essential, you know, for keeping your temperature right and also for lubricating your joints and flushing out all that bad stuff. Think of your body like a boxer in the 15th round. You know, if you ain't hydrated, you're gonna feel those punches more, your reflexes are gonna slow down, and your concentration, you'll forget about it. On the road, that means slower reactions, muscle cramps, fatigue. Whether you're securing a load, driving a long night, or in the midday sun, you know, you don't want to be caught off guard. You know, being dehydrated can affect your brain's function. You know, you may think it's just a thirst, but it could actually be more than that. You know, even if your body is less than like 2% dehydrated, you know, that's gonna impair your brain, your motor skills, every kind of function that your brain operates on. You know, when you're driving and making split-second decisions, you know you gotta be sharp, you gotta be on the ball. You know, you can't be dragging your feet like some bum from the streets. So here's what I want you to do. Every time you want a break, you know, you make a pit stop, I want you to grab a bottle of water. Keep it handy. Take a couple of sips every hour, you know, throughout the journey. That way, you know, what it's gonna do is it's gonna stretch out the time frame. You know, it might mean a few more pit stops, but better to answer nature's call than to feel like you just went 15 rounds with Ivan Drago. Am I right?
You need to go the distance, and water's your best cornerman for that.
Hey, yo, here's some tips to keep you hydrated. Set goals. You know, drink water throughout the day. I try to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Set a schedule or use a timer. You know, you can even use one of those app things on your phone. Use a big water bottle with measurements. Or what you can do is, you know, like get a rubber band and put it around it every time you finish a bottle of water. Eat water-rich foods like fruits and veggies, you know, like cucumber, watermelon, strawberries, celery, lettuce, zucchini, tomatoes, bell peppers, cantaloupe, cauliflower, and broccoli. They're all made up of more than 90% water. They're also low in calories and high in protein. Now that's a good combination if you ask me. Kind of like a jab and a punch and maybe a hook.
It's the punches we don't see coming that put us down. On the road, it's the small things, like not drinking enough water that can knock you out of the fight. Hydration ain't about drinking when you're thirsty. It's about keeping that tank full round after round.
So give it your best shot. Keep punching. Keep chugging that H2O. And yo, safe travels, champ.
Train smart, eat healthy, be safe, 'cause Mickey loves you.